You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn other local names from East Tennessee, the Appalachians, is that how you say it? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Melungeon, 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 it's a j sound, like a J, melungeon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.